In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Firestore database in Firebase. Before we start, a quick heads up. Deleting a Firestore database is permanent. It removes all collections, documents, and indexes, and you can't undo it. If you'll need the data later, consider exporting a backup to cloud storage first and make sure you have the right project and permissions. Open the Firebase console in your browser and sign in. From your list of projects, select the one that contains the database you want to remove. You should land on the project overview. In the left navigation, move your cursor over databases and storage to reveal its options, then click Firestore. This opens the Firestore section for your project. At the top of the Firestore page, switch to the Data tab. Here you'll see your collections and documents, and this is also where you'll find the control to remove the database. Look to the top right of the data view for the overflow menu, the 3 vertical dots. Click those dots to open the management menu and choose Delete Database. A confirmation dialog appears. To prevent accidents, Firebase requires you to type the database ID exactly as shown. Enter it carefully, matching the characters exactly. This extra step is designed to make sure you're acting on the intended database, especially if you work across multiple environments like development, staging, and production. Once you've verified everything, click Delete. Firebase begins a background process to remove your Firestore data and indexes. The deletion is irreversible. Large databases may take a little while to fully clear, and you may see a status banner or need to refresh later to confirm completion. After it finishes, any apps pointing to this database will no longer be able to read or write data until you create a new database and update your rules. If you realize you selected the wrong project or you're not ready, click Cancel in the confirmation dialog. Canceling simply closes the prompt and leaves your data intact. Nothing is deleted until you confirm. A few closing tips for safety and clarity. Double check you're in the correct project, note the database location if you plan to recreate it elsewhere, and inform your team so they can pause any write operations that might otherwise recreate collections during the process. That's the entire flow for deleting a Firestore database in Firebase. Follow these steps carefully and you'll remove the database with confidence.